and then you back to our channel, and then hello, welcome back to our channel again. Okay, as you can see now, the difference on this bike is oh, I still cannot spot what the difference on this bike. Brother, what the difference now? Can see something different? You can see something different?
We just install the new handlebar and we already washed this bike, so it's clean and more shiny than before. Easier to us to work this bike.
Why I didn't notice we changed this handlebar. And then we will continue our work to put back the throttle, the brake lever, the handle guard, and then we want to start up this bike without a muffler. Without a muffler. We want to fight with our neighbor. We want to fight whose bike is more louder. I'm excited, sorry. I'm too excited. Sorry.
Hello and good morning to my YouTube family, and today we are back to rebuild this Ninja 250R 2013. As you can see now, we already installed the new handlebar and we washed this bike. So guys, thank you for being awesome, for being my family before this, okay? Thank you so much. And for today's vlog, I want to thank you. We already achieved 100 subscribers. Thank you guys. Can you imagine if we all meet together, how much people it takes space to us to talk? And now we are big family now. 100 subscribers, a big family, guys. Thank you guys. Please stay tuned to my channel and we will be here for you guys.
I think something wrong with this handlebar. It's too, it's too long. It feels like, what the f is? It's too long. Okay, so we want to make an adjustment to put this handlebar shorter to make sure that we have a good position. Let's check it out.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on and on.
It took for hours for a sweet and sour, and then we finally do this. Wow! From day to the night, and finally we achieved this. Perfect. We finally succeed. Okay. And then as you can see now, the clutch lever. Okay. The throttle rubber. Okay. And the handle was in good position. Okay. So as you can see now, we've make this handle shorter, about 1.5 inch. Okay, as you can see now, this is the gap. Okay. And then yes, finally we did it. From day to the night. From day to the night, bro. So, guys, just stay tuned our next project. Okay. So for tomorrow, brother, what we want to do?
For tomorrow, we will continue for this bike. We working to the late night, and guys, please thank you for always be there and watch my video, like and subscribe, and then please don't forget to wait for the next video and stay tuned. Okay,
So that's all for today. Our vlog was end. Okay. For tomorrow, we still continue review this bike. Okay. Maybe we want to. Okay. So tomorrow we want to repair our fairing. Okay. Just repair, not a replacement. So we will use our hand, our gifted hand, to repair the fairing. Stay tuned. So we want to make a cool startup on this bike. Okay, we still didn't start up this bike for today. Okay, actually a long time ago. Okay, on, switch on, brake pull, starter.